Hello friends, today we're going to make a roasted garlic, spinach and a mushroom soup. Garlic, mushroom and spinach are a great combination and we see this in a lot of different dishes. So I'm going to make use of this wonderful combination. Also, I'm roasting this garlic, which will make it very interesting and give a lot of depth to this dish. So let's see how it is made. So to make the roasted garlic, mushroom and spinach soup, we need mushrooms. I have a bowl of mushrooms here. Today I have used some milky white mushrooms. You can use button mushrooms instead. This is what I got today. Then we have spinach. There's a bunch of spinach here. There's garlic. I've used a whole bulb of garlic. I have one onion. You will see why I'm using a lot of garlic compared to the onions, because it's a roasted garlic soup and we need a lot of garlic flavor in the soup. That's why I use more garlic here. Then there's one potato which I'm going to use it. Then I'm going to cook the whole soup in some extra virgin olive oil. There's salt, pepper and turmeric. Turmeric is going to be used for making some turmeric oil, which will be used for garnishing the soup. So it will give a nice color to the soup. We will have a nice green color soup with some yellow turmeric oil on top, and I will also keep some mushrooms pan fried separately and use it as a garnish. Then I also have some parsley, which is a dry parsley powder, dry parsley which I am using today. This will be also used for making the soup. You can use fresh parsley if you get it, which is always better than using a dry parsley. Okay, so there's an easy way to peel the garlic. I just remove both the ends off. So remove this tough part. Then you basically separate the garlic. And then you put it in some hot water. Leave it for some time. Leave it for a minute or two and then take it and put it in some cold water, and then it will be easy to remove this skin. So we'll roughly cut the onions. Doesn't have to be sliced perfectly because anyway we're gonna cook and then blend the soup. Okay, so we have mushrooms. Like I said, I will use half of the mushrooms to put it inside the soup from the beginning, and I'll keep some mushrooms to use as a garnish. Just chop it up properly. Potatoes, we need to peel them. Roughly cut these potatoes. Again, doesn't matter what shape you cut them, it's going to be blended in the soup. I'm going to use some bread for garnish. So I cut this bread into thin slices, which will be served as croutons along with the soup. The pot is ready and hot, so I'm putting some olive oil to it. So what we need to do is we need to roast this garlic. As the name says, our soup is a roasted garlic, spinach and mushroom soup. So you can see, oh, nice aroma is coming out, and also this garlic is getting roasted. See, the color is changing into golden brown. So at this stage we add our sliced onions. We saute it nicely. You don't want color for the onions, you just want them to become soft. We'll add some salt so that it cooks faster. Okay, the onions are soft, so I add this mushrooms. Just remember we have some mushrooms which is kept aside for garnish also separately. Just saute them nicely. Add some more salt and some crushed black pepper to it. So the mushrooms are sauteed well and it's getting cooked. I can really get the smell of the roasted garlic aroma here. So at this stage I'm going to add the potatoes. Just saute it nicely, then we will be topping up with some water. So we'll add some water. It's better to add less water because you can always add water at a later stage. You don't want your soup to become too thin. So now I've added water. We'll add some parsley. Now we will cover this and cook on a slow fire. Okay, our soup is getting cooked slowly on a slow fire. Let it take its time. So in the meantime, we have a non-stick pan getting hot. I will add some olive oil to it. Okay, so now we're gonna cook the mushrooms. Olive oil. Make the pan very hot. We want smoking hot pan here. The pan is smoking hot, it's really hot. So at this stage, I'm going to add the mushrooms. These are the mushrooms which we're gonna use for the soup garnish. So you want nice brown color. You need to saute it and get a nice color for these mushrooms. So I'll put all of these mushrooms to the pan. Add some salt and pepper. So whenever you're pan frying mushrooms, the pan has to be very hot because mushroom has a lot of moisture content in them. So unless and until you cook it on a very hot, sizzling hot pan, it will become too watery and you won't get nice crunchy mushrooms. So now the mushrooms are getting brown on one side, so we'll give it a quick toss. Yeah, nice and getting nice color. So the mushrooms are nice and golden brown color now, so we'll take it off from the pan and keep it aside for garnish. The soup is nicely boiling and it's getting cooked gently. I'm going to make some toast for the garnish again. Olive oil, thinly sliced bread, okay, it's browned on the one side, turned it around, bit more olive oil, and I'm gonna just press it down nicely so it becomes pressed and nice and crispy. So the bread is now thin and crispy. I'll remove it now. So the garlic is getting roasted nicely, getting a nice golden brown color, and I love the smell. It's fantastic. Don't make it too brown because it will start to get bitter. Now it has a nice roasted flavor, and even the oil which is there has that roasted garlic flavor. So as we said before, we will have some turmeric oil as a garnish. So I'm going to add some turmeric powder to this oil. And this saute it. So you have a nice yellow colored oil, turmeric oil, which will be used for the garnish. So we'll add the spinach to the soup. So our roasted garlic, spinach and mushroom soup is ready. We are going to garnish this with the mushrooms which we sauteed before. We have this roasted garlic which we cooked in turmeric oil. So we'll have just a couple of slices of the bread, toasted bread as a garnish. So our soup is ready now. It's fantastically green color soup, spinach, roasted garlic, spinach and mushroom soup with a garnish of sauteed mushrooms, roasted garlic and turmeric oil with 2 slices of toasted bread. Fantastic. Slices of the